about to leave. Already packing, come with me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for this week's video because I'm going to be attempting to recreate one of MANNY MUA's makeup tutorials. I have seen these videos floating around, and you guys, I filmed this yesterday and my memory card malfunctioned and the video is just gone. It is dead. Here I am again, round 2. I went to Target and I bought all of the same makeup that he used. There was a couple of products that I could not find, but my makeup just looked so different than his, and I literally did the exact same things. Manny is amazing. He is so awesome. I love him so much. I'm gonna link his channel down below. He is one of my favorite people. The tutorial that I'm following is a one brand e.l.f. tutorial. Before we get into the video, if you are not subscribed, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and also give this video a thumbs up. And you guys can turn on my post notifications. Okay, I am like so stressed for this video because if my memory card breaks again, I'm gonna cry. Let's just get into the video. All right, so I have the tutorial pulled up. I have my bag of makeup products here. If you guys haven't seen any of these videos, basically you literally just watch a makeup tutorial. Try to follow along, try to get the same look. I enjoy makeup. Something on my, not my to-do list, but one of my like New Year's resolutions for this year was to get more into beauty and makeup and like beauty content. So this is a start. I'm just gonna push play. And let's get started.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I literally went to Target and bought like this massive bag of makeup. Okay, we are going to start this shit with some primer. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this on the face, filling it in my hands. It feels nice. Oh my god, that smells weird.
Primer, check.
I'm going to be taking the oil-free SPF Sunscreen Flawless Finish Foundation, and I grabbed a little e.l.f.'s beauty sponge.
I could not find the same sponge as him. I found this other one from using it yesterday. I really do not like it, but everyone deserves a second chance, so let's see.
This is much more of a natural finish foundation as I'm putting on right now. I can notice that like I definitely see a lot of my skin underneath it.
Also, I'm pretty sure this is not my shade. I can't really tell for sure, but I think this looks too light for me.
Now for concealer, I got some concealers. These are the HD Lifted Concealer.
Putting it under the eyes.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, this is really dark.
I have a little more dark.
Like this is darker than my foundation, I think. Okay, so I have the same powder as him. These tutorials go by so fast. I got a little brush like him.
Much better in my opinion. It doesn't look so oily and so like scary.
Guys, I was literally at Target for over an hour looking for all of these products. There were so many and I couldn't find every single exact one like I said. I'm so happy because I searched for this one forever because I didn't think it was the right one, and it is. So I have the same colors as him. So I'm putting it on my thing, putting it on my face like him.
Okay, so that is literally flopping for me right now. So
you have to like literally cake your brush with bronzer, and it does not show up that well, which is weird because if you look at the brush, there's like clearly bronzer on it, but it just does not go onto your actual skin. It must like fly off in between the transition of like dipping it and putting it on your face.
So let's go back to that same
Okay.
blush. Yeah.
Using the same blush as him.
Nice. See how that works? 3 layers layer. We got
okay,
somewhere.
3 layers. 1, 2,
Work with me here,
3. Okay, so I could not find the same highlighter as him. He just used a liquid one, so I found this one from NYX instead.
Let's try this out and see.
Oh, he's going way too fast for me, guys. These tutorials, man. So I'm putting mine on the back of my hand like he did. I have a brush like him.
That is beautiful. I'm sorry, I'm a little shaking. Let me blend out that a little bit.
Blend it out with my sponge because this is honestly the worst sponge.
That.
Okay, so this is the face look so far.
So now we're gonna actually do our brows. I'm gonna do like the right brow on camera.
I
found this little brow pencil. This guy right here.
Okay, I have the same brow pencil. I actually really liked this yesterday.
Yeah, definitely depositing some color.
Yes,
oh,
I agree.
Maybe a little
so pigmented. So next he's taking his little palette,
if anything,
putting it in my brows.
Brow pencil in place. Now taking the same concealer that we use for underneath our eyes. Then
what he does is takes the concealer again. This is something I never do, but it looks so good when he does it. So now I'm like, I should do that every day.
Let's do a little bit of a cheat to make our brows a little bit lighter. We're gonna take a little bit of that same concealer on this little brush.
Also guys, comment down below who is your favorite beauty guru person to watch.
So I would do some eyeshadow and I grabbed 2 palettes. I've heard amazing things about the e.l.f. Prism eyeshadows.
Okay.
I've never
this is the one I could find.
And I grabbed the eyeshadow palette, just the matte for matte.
I couldn't find the matte for matte palette, so why can't I open this? I have this one from NYX. It has a lot of matte colors.
So, and I grabbed this
Couldn't find these either. I found a Maybelline smudge pot instead. Okay, so this is where I went wrong yesterday because the shades I used were way too purple because I'm using a different palette. He is using a light pinky one. See, I swear these two shades are the same as what he used. Maybe I just used too much. I guess I'll use those same shades again.
That's gonna go into the crease. I've not yet tried these, so let's see how they act. Well, now I'm taking Morphe R39. I'm gonna take a little bit more of this chocolatey brown shade.
Chocolatey brown.
Shadows. Is it a little bit patchy? Yes, it is.
Crap.
But I think that was a little bit of
falling behind. These videos are hard. I'm like, feel like I'm not even talking because I'm trying to focus.
I'm taking that deepest, darkest shade at the very end. I'm gonna take a little bit of that and I'm just gonna put that on the outer corner.
Outer corner?
Very low.
This is the one I didn't have, but I feel like this Maybelline one looks kind of similar.
So I'm gonna go with the smudge pot. You guys, this is not gonna be my permanent lid shade.
Smudge pot on the lid.
I'm gonna take this middle shade right here from the Prismatic palette. This gives more of a brightening effect. So this is what we have on the eye so far. It's like a smoky peach is what I would describe this color as. I'm gonna take the lightest Prismatic shade and I'm gonna highlight.
Okay, his highlight when he was doing this looks so good. Mine is not as dramatic as his. And I'm packing it on, guys.
I'm gonna take this little e.l.f. smudge pot.
So pigmented. So this, guys, is where I struggled yesterday. Winged eyeliner is so hard. This video has inspired me to clean my makeup brushes tonight, and today's Saturday, so that just shows you guys how cool I am that my Saturday night plans are to clean my makeup brushes. Manny used one of these little teeny brushes. I never use these for eyeliner. I always use liquid liners, so. No, you guys, you would have been so impressed with my winged liner yesterday. You really would have. Only on this one eye. Guys, this is bad news. Okay, so I kind of got the wings figured out. I'm pretty sure they're pointing in literally different directions, but it looks better than it did before. Let's see, next is mascara.
So I grabbed these little lashes from e.l.f. These are the Luxe Lash Kit in Winged and Bold.
Okay, so as I told you guys, I tried to do this video yesterday. I tried to put on these lashes. They would not work. The inner corner would not stick down no matter how much glue I put on it. Then I came in here this morning to refilm, and I had left the glue bottle open. So the glue is all completely dried up, and I searched my entire house for other glue. I never wear fake lashes, so one, I don't know how to put them on. Two, I don't have the supplies. Let's just try. We gotta try for the video. Nope, these are not. It's like sticking to the tweezers. The ends of this are. Guys.
We're gonna take this palette again, and I'm gonna run that underneath the lash line.
I can do that.
It doesn't look too off. I also grabbed this just to add a pop of something.
Oh,
this
I forgot about the liner.
Tease eyeliner.
Okay, this was another one I couldn't find the exact product, so I just had to get a different blue liner.
I used the lip liner in the shade Natural and the e.l.f. Day to Night Lipstick Duo in Kneaded Nudes.
For the lips, I also couldn't find the same lip liner as him, but he just used like a neutral one, so I have the same color from NYX. Then I do have the same lipstick. So this is an e.l.f. lipstick in Day to Night. Pretty sure he used the light one, so maybe I'll put on a little less of this. These eyelashes are just sitting on top of my real eyelashes. They are not glued to my face at all.
And that's it, you guys. That's it for the full face using e.l.f. Cosmetics video.
Okay, you know what? We just have to take the lashes off. Alright guys, so this is the final look without the eyelashes. This is definitely more makeup than I normally wear. Manny is queen. He did amazing. Again, his video and his channel are linked down below. This was so fun, so comment down below. Let me know how you guys think that I did. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was fun to do like a sitting and talking video because I feel like I don't do those very often. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe. Let me know what video you guys want to see next week. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!